Good morning, students. Today Devansh is not there. He says good morning. The first one to wish. Beta, did you note down the format of the formal letter yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I had also shown this to you later to the editor, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
However, there are certain changes which I had suggested. Let me discuss those changes and let me see how nicely you can plan a letter to the editor today. I've never told you to write. Today we are going to write. Is this perfect? Or
No,
any
ma'am.
more modification needed? No. What should be there? What change should be there?
Pin code is missing.
Very good. Pin code is missing. Otherwise, using 2 lines is correct or wrong?
No, it is correct.
Correct. Very good. Let's move on to the date now. Date, everything is correct? Or something is wrong?
TH is missing.
TH is missing.
15.
What else is missing?
After May, it will be
Comma after May.
Comma.
Comma after May is meeting. Smart children. The editor, the Times of India. What is missing in this?
Nothing.
pin code.
It's missing,
The
sure?
pin code is missing. Missing.
Yes, the pin code is
Pin
missing.
code.
So this is absolutely correct. 2 lines, however, pin. Date, you've already told me. How to write the date, everybody knows. Very nice. Then here, the person to whom we are writing designation, the editor, the Times of India, city. And then through the column of your esteemed daily, means in the first line, you have to only mention the purpose of writing the letter. That is all. No more details have to be given in the introductory sentence. Only what has to be written?
The purpose of writing the letter.
Yes. What is the purpose of writing the letter? Only that has to be written. And then in the next paragraph, if you see, we are talking about what all problems we are facing. And in the last paragraph, we will give suggestions and conclusions. I think you read this letter yesterday. Yes? No.
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? No. Fine. Read it quickly. Let me discuss the content also before we plan our letter. Read quickly. This letter is written on one topic and how is it planned? What is written in the first paragraph? What in the second and so on, so that we can discuss and plan our letter. What is the subject?
A major concern.
Pollution a major concern.
One of you read the introductory sentence loudly. Read the first sentence loudly. What is the problem?
Through the columns of your esteemed Delhi, I would like to express my opinion with reference to the report claiming Delhi to be the most populated city in world. 30 January 28.
What is very good? Thank you so much. What do you mean by esteemed daily?
That it is public.
The newspaper.
Published daily.
Very good. Very good. That's fine. But what do you mean by esteemed? Daily means a newspaper, no doubt. What is esteemed?
I'm precious.
Ma'am, reputed.
Yes, it is reputed. Something which is respectable, something which is reputed, something which has a good reputation. Okay, that is what we call as esteemed. Is it okay for everybody? And daily is, of course, the newspaper. So we are just doing a bit of flattery of the editor. Why are we doing this? Why are we appreciating and praising the newspaper so much?
So that he published, he published our letter in his newspaper.
Yes, yes, because there are so many people who are writing the letter. So you have selected this newspaper. So obviously, we need to appreciate the newspaper a bit, that this is the reason why I'm writing to you, why I'm not writing anywhere else. So we need to give a reason, and that is why we started like this. Good. Read the letter quickly. We'll discuss. Is it a formal letter or is it an informal letter?
Ma'am, formal.
Formal letter.
Good. Do we have a box around the letter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, nice. Okay, tell me what are the problems which are being discussed?
About the increasing pollution level in Delhi.
Okay. Later, what are the details? This is the subject, main thing. What are the details?
Ma'am, that people of Delhi has increased the usage of four-wheelers that has increased.
Industries and deforestation has also
Yes,
helped in
industries, deforestation, and let's talk more about it. What all did you read? So what can be done now? What is the conclusion? Last paragraph, what are they writing?
Ma'am, they are writing that everybody should use public transport,
Yes,
and
this
ma'am,
is
we
very
should consider cycling or walking for short
distance. We
distances.
should use cycling. Yes.
good. So this is basically what? This is suggestions. Suggestions and request. You can also put your request for the concerned authorities to do something. But suggestions, no doubt, like we should use public transport is one of them. Good. Good, good. Did you go through this? Can we plan our letter now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we are going to plan our letter. Now listen very carefully what you need to do. You don't have to write the entire letter in post. You will just write sender's address. What is the second thing which we generally write?
Date.
Date.
Date. Third thing?
Receiver's address.
Receiver's address.
Okay. The subject you will plan yourself. I'm just telling you the condition. Why I'm not telling the subject, you should know how to plan your subject. Subject should be short and crisp. You don't have to make sentences. Now the locality that you're living in, the colony or the locality, there are a lot of power cuts. Frequent power cuts are there in your locality. You know what is the power cut?
This we have done yesterday.
Ma'am, yesterday we have done on this topic.
Okay, fine. That we had
Yes, ma'am.
discussed only, and today I want you to write a bit. So let us talk about increasing cases of chain snatching in our locality or bad condition of roads. Tell me which one would you like to take up? The increase in the number of chain snatching cases in your locality or the bad condition of roads in your locality? Tell me which one should we take up? Decide one. Children, you have to tell me which one would you like to write?
Ma'am, first one.
Bad.
Second one.
Chain snatching cases. You want to write that? There is no safety in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
society, and robbers and thieves are coming, and chain snatching cases are increasing. You can read this. You want to write this one? Hari, yes or no?
Ma'am, what was the other option?
The other option is the
Second
condition
one.
of roads is very bad in your locality.
Ma'am, condition of roads.
So I'll give you a choice. Anyways, I'll give you a choice. You can take any of them. You don't have to write the entire letter. Sender's address, date, receiver's object, address, salutation, subject, and the introductory paragraph, that is the first 2 lines. Only this much has to be written. Is it okay for everybody?
Yes.
The purpose of writing the letter till here. Start writing, your time starts now. You'll post on the group and you'll tell me, ma'am, I posted. so that I can forward it on the groups and all of us will check. See, beta, if you write something and if there is a mistake which is found, it is good for you only. Because if we are able to correct you, you will not do that mistake in exams. So please don't feel hesitant that yes, I'll post, there would be mistakes. Don't feel hesitant on all that part. Please, I would suggest post so that we can help you. Hurry up, you have to only post till the introductory paragraphs.
We have to write the letter to editor of some authority.
Beta, we are writing a letter to the editor only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
Okay,
I also
fine.
posted on the
Okay, Peter, can you tell me the first child, which group? We have all the 4 sections here.
Ma'am, PCM group.
Okay, and the second one?
commerce.
Okay, fine. Let's go back to the PCM group first. PCM, fine. I got it. Nabil, you have sent? 458 civil
Yes,
lines, very good. 29th May, the editor, the Hindustan Times. Subject, increasing name chain snatching cases. Actually, you've taken up this one. Dear sir, ma'am, this is draw your attention. This is to draw your attention. What is the word which is missing here?
Ma'am, 2.
To. Very good. You can add on this in this only. This is to draw your attention towards the increasing chain snatching cases day by day. Good. In our locality, what should add, where the cases are increasing, we need to mention in our locality. Just mention that. Fine. Because we
Ma'am, I
don't
have
know.
also posted
Just 1 second,
on
beta.
PCB group.
Naveed, only 2 changes to be done. I told you. First is, what was the first thing we did?
Ma'am, to add 2 before draw.
Yes. And where are the cases increasing in our locality? Very good. Your first paragraph is
Okay.
absolutely right. Your format is right. Now you need to do one thing. You need to plan your second paragraph. All the problems that the people of this locality are facing because of this. And now we'll move on to
Okay,
the
ma'am.
commerce group. The child who posted was from commerce. So we'll first go for commerce. Pranjal. Yes, Pranjal, 55 civil lines, Bareilly. Good. The editor, The Times of India. Dear sir, subject, increasing cases of chain snatching. What is the word we have, Pranjal?
Chain is sketching.
Snatching. SNA. Chain China. Okay, that is chain snatching.
Okay.
SNA. Very good. But you've not written the first paragraph. Write the first 2 lines also and then post. Okay,
Okay.
I need. Good. There's one more child, Anand, who has posted. 35 Green Park, Bareilly, 29th May. Good. Subject is bad condition of roads. Okay. Through the column of your esteemed daily. Good. I would like to express my opinion with reference to a major problem which we are facing in our locality. That is very good. Very good, Bache. Anand, very good. Well done. Move on to the second paragraph. Give the details of the problems that you're facing. Now I'm going on to the biology group. Okay, Zeba has posted. Yes, let's read very quickly what Zeba has posted. One by one, we are reading what is there on the bio group. Zeba, the editor. Have you put a full stop after the editor, Zeba?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was doing to put. Ma'am, I have cut
Okay,
it.
good. So you realized it yourself, nothing better than that. You've changed it yourself. Subject, bad condition. Let me read the first paragraph. Concerned authorities for, beta, towards, not for. I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads. Is it okay?
ma'am.
The bad
Yes,
condition.
ma'am.
Just cut in this only and change. Good. Very good, Zeba. Let's move on to what Parth has written. 29th May, Times of India. Increase in case of chain snatching. Dear sir, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I'd like to draw the attention on, draw this attention, very good. Draw word has been used. Authorities on increasing cases of chain snatching in my locality. Very good, Parth. Excellent. I did not find any mistake. Good. Now let's see what Anadi has written. Is this G capital, Anadi?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's okay. Fine. Esteemed newspaper. I would like to draw the attention, very good, of concerned authorities to the towards, not to the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads. So in place of to, you'll make it what?
Towards.
Very good. Now let's see what Ira has written. Let me read if there's something to be done. The Times of India, Sir Ma'am, resident of Green Park. Fine. I'm writing to you in order to raise the issue to condition of roads in my locality. Very good, Ira. Perfect. Go ahead. Yes. Now we'll go to 11th Maths, PCM. Most students have posted. Kshitij. Let me read what Kshitij has written. Kshitij, sender's address is correct, date is correct, receiver's address is correct. Subject increase in chain snatching. Spelling of snatching is a little wrong, but you can correct, you can put a T. Sir, from the column of your esteemed newspaper, after newspaper, we'll put a comma, beta, not a full stop. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Kshitij, put a comma in place of full stop. I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards very good. Too good. Just that full stop should be a comma. Let's see what Moksh has written. Editor, subject increasing cases of chain snatching. Good. Would like to draw your attention towards the problem of what is this? Moksh. Moksh, we will not draw the attention of the editor. Editor cannot do anything. He can just print your letter. So draw the attention of the concerned authorities, not your attention. What is the change we'll be making, Moksh?
Ma'am, we'll write that I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities.
Yes, very good. Your attention, poor editor, he will not be able to do much. He will only be able to print your letter. He will not be able to help you in this case. So just that word has to be changed. Very good. Let's
Okay,
see
ma'am.
what Shruti has written. I'm reading now what Shruti has written. She's written the date in a different style. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention concerned authorities towards increasing cases. Very, very good. Too good. See, you have 5 marks for this letter. Those who are writing, even if you write a letter 2 or 3 times with me, like this on the groups, and you get to know your mistakes, you'll write perfectly. Let's move on to the second paragraph, those who have written the first paragraph. Is there someone left whose format and introduction is not checked? Let me know.
Yes,
Let me move on.
yes, ma'am. I'm just sending in a minute.
Let me go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the one by one. Which group should I go to now?
Ma'am, biology. Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, I'll go to the 11th biology group. We have, yes, 2-3 people who posted. First is Janvi. Let's read what she has written. The editor, respected sir. Okay, fine. I would be highly obliged if your newspaper, let me see what she's written, would draw some attention towards the attention of the authorities. Okay, beta, Janvi? Draw attention towards the authorities, the attention of the authorities. What is the change you'll do? Yes, attention of the authorities towards the bad condition. That is the change that you need to do. Is it okay?
Ma'am.
What sentence will it be now after the change? Attention.
It will be
Attention to the authorities towards the bad condition of roads in our area. Very good. Very good. Yes, this just a misplacing of words. That's it. Otherwise, it's absolutely correct. Now we move on to what Nishkash has written. You can cut in the same thing and write. Okay, let's read what Nishkash has written. The editor, the Hindustan Times. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards. What is the word you'll use, Nishkash, in place of to?
Ma'am, 2 words.
Yes, towards the increasing cases of chain snatching in our locality. Rest, everything is perfect, excellent. Date and everything is fine. Now Bhavleen has posted. Let's see what Bhavleen has written. Good, Bhavleen. Sender's address is perfect. No. Sender's address, everybody please go to what Bhavleen has written. What is the problem in sender's address, children? Tell me. The comma is not put at the correct place, Bhavleen. That's the only mistake that I could find. Children, tell me. Yes.
Put after 147.
After
Should I just put small dash after Borelli?
See, beta, you should put the comma after 147. Where will you put the comma, Bhavleen?
After 147.
And remove the comma after Bareilly. That comma is not needed. So you will put the comma after house number and you will put remove the comma from Bareilly. Rest. Okay. In date, what should be added?
TH after 29. It should
Yes. Yes. After 29, make it 29th May, 29 TH. So add what? What will you add, Bhavleen?
29 TH.
Good. Now, when we see you've written the editor, what change has to be done, children? Help your friend.
Ma'am, it should be capital E instead of small e.
Very good. In place of small e, it should be capital E for editor. Okay, let's move on to the newspaper. What change should be done?
It should be capital T.
Yes, it should be capital T. When we write the Times of India, it should be capital T. Bhavleen, you need to do the changes here in this only. Dear sir, let me see what she's written further. Subject, highlighting the bad condition of roads. Good. Through the medium of newspaper, fine. But in newspaper, N not capital. Okay. Between sentences, we do not use capital letters. So newspaper ka N should be small. I want to show my grave concern on road condition. Okay. Citizens pay a number of taxes to ensure, actually I've written the second paragraph. Smooth running of government. Government should provide basic facilities like clean and stable roads. There are many pitfalls, breakages, which are caused to accidents every other day. Fine, you've also written the second paragraph, Bhavleen. You can add on few more things to the second paragraph. First paragraph is absolutely okay. I just told you people to write till the first paragraph. She's also started with the second one. So good.
Yes.
But if you're writing the second paragraph, it should be somewhere between 80 to 90 words. So you add on more words to the second paragraph. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Introduction she's written. Bhavleen, do the changes that I've told you here only.
Yes.
Changes and post again.
Okay.
No need to write again, beta. You can put a cut and write here only. I've gone through 11th biology. Now let me go to 11th PCM. Harshit has posted by the time. Harshit, first thing you always need to do is make a margin. Okay, Harshit? Harshit, am I audible? Are you able to listen? Anyways, I'll speak. See, you need to make a margin. Shanti Vihar, Badayu Road, Bareilly, 21 May, 21st May. ST should be there. The editor, the Hindustan Times, increasing chain snatching. Through the column of your esteemed daily, there should be a comma after daily. He has put a comma, very good. Like to draw your attention towards the problem, very good. Rest, everything is fine. Just remember to make a margin. Otherwise, Harshit has written perfectly correct. 11 science is done, 11 PCB is done. Now let me go to 11th commerce. Pranjal has posted the matter. Yes. Very good. Very good, Pranjal. Give me the details now of the second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Pranjal. Active student in the commerce section. Let me go for 11th humanities. अब वो कितने बजे नेक्स्ट क्लास है? Hurry up, hurry up. Let me go to other groups also. Very good. I think Parth has posted. Let me see. Yes. Let's see. Parth's second paragraph has come. In my locality, the courage of chain snatchers is increasing day by day. Yesterday, they snatched a chain from the lady and she got hurt on her neck. Increase in the number of cases has set a fear in the heart of all people. Despite of complaining 4 to 5 times, no action was taken against them. The department has raised their hands from this issue. Very good. Two good parts. Very good. Very, very nice. Let's see if something is there in humanities group as well. No. Very good, children. Second paragraph was very good. I'm waiting for the second paragraph. Other students.
I'm done with the letter.
Which group have you posted?
Ma'am, I'm posting on commerce group.
Commerce group. Okay, Parth. ठीक है, post बेटा. Let me read quickly what he has posted. Let's read what Anant has written. Very good. Green Park. What is wrong in the date of Anant? Beta, the TH has to come on the line. Okay, Anant?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not to be a power. It should be written on the line only. Rest, this is correct. This is correct. Good. Bad condition of roads, not road. We are not talking about one road. So it should be roads. So the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to express my opinion with reference to a major problem which we are facing in our locality. That is the bad condition of roads. Good. Because of bad conditions, not conditions of road, it should be bad condition of roads. S should be put with roads. And condition, say remove the S. It's very difficult to move in colony. It is difficult to walk through also. Many aged people are facing problem and going to the park. There are roads on roads. Very good. Segment of the wall is there and which is making a shelter for many diseases. Okay. I request you to give some space in your. Beta rest is fine, but abhi we need to write about suggestions. No? I request the
Yes, ma'am.
concerned authorities to please take an action and get the roads built before the rainy season. Anything that you have a request and suggestions, all means suggestions in a request manner. Not that I'm saying do this, I'm saying, and don't tell this to the editor. They have to be conveyed to the concerned authorities. Rest everything. Second paragraph is very nicely planned. Very good. Okay, let me see if there's somebody else who's posted.
Ma'am, I have posted the second paragraph on PCB group.
Let's read the
Ma'am,
second
I have
paragraph.
also posted in PCM group.
Okay, let's read the second paragraph very quickly of Zeba. She's posted on bio. The roads in my locality are in terrible condition. Conditions name it a condition. The roads are full of potholes, which is a major cause of concern. Every other day, some accident or the other takes place on the roads due to these potholes. They have not been repaired. Very good. For quite some time now, the residents are facing a lot of inconvenience due to road conditions. How many words approximately you've written, Zeba? You read it, count, and we'll see what Parth has written. So I would request the concerned authorities to look into the matter. Not look in the matter. What is the change you need to do, Parth?
Into.
Yes, look into the matter as early as convenient. Then they will never look into the matter if you give them time for convenience. As early as possible would be better. Okay, dear? Anticipating a prompt and favorable response. Very good. You ended up the letter very nicely. But this anticipating word should have started in the next line. So your letter conclusion would have been very nice. Though you finished it in a very nice manner, but you should have changed your line. Okay, Parth?
Okay, ma'am.
This sentence, anticipating a prompt and favorable response, should be written in the next line. It gives a very nice conclusion. Yours sincerely, ABM. Excellent. Very, very good. So we have Ira here now. She's done the changes, whatever problems we had. Let's read. The main road is congested throughout the day. There is a school on this road, and during the morning hours, people face horrible situation when people are going to workplace and children are going to their school. Okay, they get stuck in the traffic jams very often. There are many potholes on the roads. People have written to the government many times, but no action has been taken. So this way now, through this letter, I want to draw the attention of the government. Beta, government is a big organization. Who in the government? Concerned authorities. So you will draw the attention of whom, Ira?
Concerned authorities.
Because when we say government, we mean the ministers and everybody and the officers. So we are not talking about them. We'll be talking about concerned authorities. Only change that word. Rest everything is perfectly correct.